Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online while you sleep. So is this actually possible? We're going to be finding out right after rolling that intro. So welcome back guys. If you are new to the channel, this is the space where we help you learn how to make money online the legit way so that you don't spend a lot of time messing around with scams on the internet. So I'm sure you've seen those videos that tell you that you can make money online while you sleep. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. And we are actually going to be diving in to whether it's possible to make money online while you sleep. So a lot of you are probably new to making money online. And I know that some of you have actually been trying to make money online for a while. But if you have never made a single dollar and this isn't the first or second or third video that you are watching, then something is wrong somewhere. Either you are consuming the wrong information or you're not putting in the work. And so I'm going to leave that to you to decide. But first, I need for you to understand that in order to make money online, there are three things that are necessary. The first one is that you need to have some kind of skill that you are selling or providing to someone online. The next thing that you need to do is to have a product, okay, that you are selling again online for money. And the other thing is a service. So you either have a skill, a product, or a service. Now, how exactly can you make money online if you are asleep? How do people make passive income? Because making money online while sleeping pretty much implies that you are making some sort of passive income. And this is what we're going to be looking at. And we're going to be, diving deep into understanding what passive income is and what are the methods of making money online passively so that you can be making money, tons of years after having worked for that money. And the key word there is worked. So there's actually no real way of making money online while you sleep, unless of course you sign up for a science program where they pay you to watch you sleep while they perform experiments on you. But if you are thinking about making money online while sleeping, the first thing that you need to do is know that you will have to put in some kind of work first. Now, don't get discouraged. Don't click away just yet, because there are actually methods that you can use to make money online passively. And so what passive income actually is where you put in work once, or you do something once, and then this thing earns you money progressively over a period of time. So this could be anything from creating a digital product or creating an online course, or even having something as simple as a YouTube channel. I say simple because you just have to sit in front of a camera, but there's a lot involved with YouTube. So let me give you some passive income ideas or passive income business ideas that you could do online. And maybe one of them will work for you because they're not for everybody. Okay, so one might work for someone, the other might not. So the first passive income idea, of course, is creating a digital product. And there are several types of digital products that you can create. This is a product that you create once, you put it out there on the internet, and people purchase that product several different times. So this could be something like an ebook. It could be something like creating a membership website, or it could be something like creating an app that people purchase. All right. So basically, you'll have to sell on solving a problem that you're looking at. What are people looking for? What are people searching for? And if you do your research and find that people are actually looking for this online, then that is a good sign that whatever you create or put out there might be purchased and it might make you money. Now, some ideas include writing a book and publishing it to Amazon. And this is a great way of making passive income over a long period of time. You don't necessarily have to be a professional author. You could write novels. There are tons of different ways to make money on Amazon by writing different genres. And if you are not somebody who knows how to write, then you can also create journals on Canva and on all of these graphic design platforms and sell those journals on Amazon as well. The second platform that you can sell your digital products on is a platform known as Etsy, and there are a ton of digital products that can be sold on this platform, anywhere from different types of printouts such as coloring books to journals as well. And you can also sell ebooks if you have knowledge in a particular area and you know that you can write that information out, put it into a PDF, and upload it onto Etsy, Amazon, or any other platform. That's a great way of making passive income. The second passive income idea for you is actually affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is basically where you are going to find a company that has an affiliate program and you will promote their product or service to other people out there that are looking for this product. And when somebody makes a purchase through the link that the company gives you, the company will pay you a commission as a way of saying thank you. And so this usually is something that we've talked about a whole lot on the channel. And it's something that we absolutely love because it's really good for people who are not interested in creating their own products, okay? So if you are not that person who can create your own ebook or online course or any other type of service, then all you have to do is head out to the internet and find a company with a product that you love and essentially sign up and promote this product to anybody out there in the world who is willing to buy it. And so there are several types of affiliate programs that you could join. There are three main industries, as you probably already know if you've watched any of our videos on affiliate marketing. If you haven't, make sure that you check out the playlist that is linked down in the description box below. And so the industries include health, there's fitness, and also there's relationships. And some of the places you can find affiliate programs that you could join include Impact Radius. You could also check out platforms like JVZoo, Commission Junction, and also Digistore 24, among many others. The next passive income idea is creating content. Now, this can be done in two ways. You could either do this on your blog or you could do this on a vlog like I'm doing right now here on YouTube. So if you're somebody who's camera shy and you're not really interested in doing this whole YouTube thing, you could create a simple blog using a platform that is user-friendly, such as the one that I have linked up in the video above. You can check that out and find out how to create your own blog using the Gator website builder. And it's super easy, super intuitive. And if you are a newbie, you will love it. Plus, the prices are relatively affordable. You can also check out this other option that is linked above as well. It's a Kenyan platform known as HostFiti, and you can pay for that via M-Pesa, so you don't have to worry about having to pay with credit card or with PayPal. However, let's get back to the blog and how that actually makes you money passively. So when you create a blog, what you are going to want to do with that platform is write content or articles based on what people are searching for, informative things or valuable content that people are looking for on the internet. And so once you've gotten a bunch of people who are interested in reading your blog, by marketing your content, you don't just create the blog and leave it there. No one's going to read that. You have to actually market it using platforms like Pinterest and using platforms like Quora and other different methods that you can find out about online. So once you've marketed that, then you are going to want to monetize the traffic that is coming over to your blog by becoming a publisher for platforms like Google AdSense and Adstera, Ezoic, and other different, platforms like Mediavine. So basically, these are advertisement networks that allow you to become a publisher. And so you will be making money from a platform like Google AdSense because advertisers want to publish their ads. And if a ton of people are reading your blog, then that means you have what is known as digital real estate, where you can actually allow Google to publish these ads on your website, and they will pay you part of what the advertisers are paying them. So once you have a couple of articles on your blog, then you can apply to these platforms and it will be making money passively as people continue to read. However, if you stop marketing, then you will definitely see a decline in your earnings. But what you need to know is that you need to create what is known as evergreen content. If you are creating content that people are going to be looking for a long time from now, then you can definitely bet that your earnings will stay relatively consistent based on what your platform is about. The method number two of creating content and making passive income is coming over here to YouTube and creating a channel. So there are different ways to monetize YouTube so that you can start making passive income. The first method, which everybody knows about, is making money through Google AdSense. Now, of course, that means that you will need to have 1,000 watch hours or 4,000 watch hours plus 1,000 subscribers to become part of the YouTube partnership program. But we don't necessarily suggest that you rely on that because earnings may fluctuate and you want to make something that can help you start earning even when you don't have thousands of subscribers, even if you're still at 100 or 50 or even 10 subscribers. So with YouTube, the best thing about this platform is that it gives you the capacity to reach out to hundreds of people. And so you need to think of YouTube as a business platform. Don't think about reaching thousands of people. A lot of people think that when you get 50 views on your video, then that sucks. Your video is bad and you start worrying. You're saying that you won't make any videos if you're getting 10 views. But think about it this way. 10 views, actually think about the fact that you are getting an opportunity to talk to 10 different people. Now imagine that those are 10 real people sitting in front of you and all you have to do is share value with those 10 people. So each time you get on YouTube, think of it as though you are talking to one person and not as though you're trying to talk to many people. Share the value that you have and look at how you can monetize that value. If you have a skill that you are teaching people, then look at how you can share that skill with this person to the point that you can monetize that by, maybe creating some kind of online course that somebody could sign up for. You only have to create an online course once, and then this person could sign up to that. Different people at different times could be signing up for that online course. Again, if you're sharing value, then you could sign up for different affiliate programs and link them down in the description box of your YouTube videos and have people making, purchases from those affiliate links in your YouTube videos, and essentially it snowballs into something big. But again, the key to successfully hacking passive income on all of these things that I've mentioned is consistency. You are definitely going to have to do something, and that something requires work. So before you can make money while sleeping, you are going to need to put your hands to work and create something amazing that somebody somewhere will be willing to pay you for. So that is how passive income works, and that is how you can make money online while sleeping, I guess, if you want to call it that. But the sleeping part is later. You have to work first. So that is all for this video. If you've got any questions for me regarding passive income, feel free to ask them down in the comment section so that everybody can learn from the answers that we give. And if you have any recommendations regarding videos you want to see in this particular subject, let me know as well down in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you learned anything, and also to support the channel just for bringing you this content, and it helps us reach out to a wider audience as well. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.